Christmas, I would love my dad to be here. He is always working. I know that it puts food on the table and pays my school fees, but it's not the same without him. He used to not work as much. It would be a Christmas miracle if you could make him celebrate Christmas with us. I miss him, and it would make me happy to spend a holiday with him. Thank you, Santa. Adriana Phillips.
Dear Santa, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I know it's cold up there in the North Pole, so get yourself some warm chocolate tea. While you read my letter, I don't have a big list of things this year, so I'll keep it short and sweet. All I want for Christmas is a tablet and a Nintendo to entertain myself with. I think you can afford that with all the times I've seen your face on TV. Well, that is it from me. Maybe next year I can invite you to spend the summer holidays with my family and I. That is only when I get my gifts, of course. Your friend, Elaine Porter.
Dear Santa, you already know my name, so I'll just get straight to the point. I don't know if your magical elves can make this by hand, or if you have a ton of money or something, but I'll tell you anyways. I would really, 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 really want a new iPhone for Christmas. I know what you're probably thinking. Why do all the kids want electronics nowadays? This one doesn't seem to be any different either. Well, you would be most certainly right. I have my reasons for wanting one though, and it's not because I want to play games or watch TikTok. I need a phone because at school, in case there's an emergency, I can call my mom, dad, or any legal guardian. Also because I would like to do my schoolwork on it, so I could stop pestering my mother for her phone. Not only that, but I would also like to draw my digital art on it too, because it makes me happy. Who knows, maybe one day I'll draw something for you and send it to the North Pole. Anyways, I would really want this for Christmas, and I'd be over the moon if I got it. Thank you in advance, Santa and his elves. P.S. This is by Emily Buchanan. Thank you, Santa.